This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm going to show you how to service the air filter on this 2017 Honda Pioneer 1000. Servicing your air filter is crucial and probably needs to be done more often than not. Honda recommends to service your air filter at 600 hours or 3,600 miles, but if you ride in more muddy or dusty conditions, you probably ought to do it sooner. So today I'm going to show you how to service that on this 2017 Honda Pioneer 1000. This procedure will apply to 2016 through 2019 models. To do this job, you'll need an air filter. Now the one we're using today is the OEM air filter. We have a few other options here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, so check those out. We also need some contact cleaner, rags, safety glasses, a 5mm Allen with a ratchet, and a screwdriver or a pry tool to get your rivets out. But always refer to your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. First, we need to pop the bed up and access the air filter cover. Now let's remove the 4 rivets that hold the access cover on. And now remove the access cover. If you have access to compressed air, it's not a bad idea to blow off this whole area to remove as much dust as you can. Now let's take our 5mm Allen and remove the 10 fasteners that hold the airbox cover on. Now these fasteners are pretty sweet because they won't fall out on you and they'll stay in the cover. Now that we've got the cover off, there's one fastener that holds the air filter on. We'll just remove that and pull the filter off. Now let's take some contact cleaner and a rag and clean out the airbox. Now let's take our new filter, and the paper side goes down, and install that. Now let's torque this to 3.7 foot-pounds. Install the airbox lid and torque all these to 3.7 foot-pounds as well. Then we can install the cover with the 4 rivets. Well, that's it. That's all there is to servicing the air filter on your Honda Pioneer. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessories. And if you like the content that you've seen today, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.